Good morning, everybody. So check it out, dude. We're out here. We're going to work this morning, man. Tuesday morning. Happy Tuesday, everybody. So, man, I came out yesterday, dude, and I hit it. And, man, we got another issue arising. So I'm going to hit it this morning, let you hear it, then I'll tell you what I think it is. Now, listen. You hear that? So, man, I believe the starter, I checked my battery and everything yesterday, and everything was good. So I think my starter got hot coming back from the beach Sunday, and it might have messed something up. So we're going to be getting into that soon enough. But with all that, I'll catch y'all later.